Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on metal table decorations. Metal table decorations offer a plethora of advantages that make them a compelling choice for enhancing the aesthetics and ambience of any space. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner, a casual gathering, or simply sprucing up your living area, here are several benefits of using metal table decorations. Number 1. Elegance and sophistication. Metal inherently exudes a sense of elegance and sophistication. Incorporating metal table decorations instantly elevates the overall look and feel of your space, creating a refined and polished atmosphere that impresses guests and creates a memorable experience. Number 2. Durability and longevity. Metal is a durable material that withstands the test of time. Choosing metal table decorations ensures that your investment will remain visually appealing and structurally sound, providing lasting beauty and value over the years. Number 3. Versatility in design. Metal offers incredible versatility in design. From intricate scrollwork and ornate details to sleek and modern minimalism, metal can be shaped, molded, and finished in countless ways to match various interior styles and themes. Number 4. Reflective qualities. The reflective nature of metal adds a dynamic quality to table decorations. Whether it's candlelight, natural sunlight, or ambient room lighting, metal surfaces interact with light sources to create captivating visual effects that enhance the overall ambiance. Number 5. Texture and depth. Different metal finishes and textures, such as hammered, brushed, or polished, add depth and tactile interest to your table setup. These textures contribute to multi-dimensional visual experience that engages both eyes and sense of touch. Number 6. Artistic expression. Metal allows for intricate and artistic designs that can become focal points or conversation starters. Table decorations crafted from metal can showcase the creativity and craftsmanship of artisans, adding a unique and artistic touch to your decor. Number 7. Customization options. Metal table decorations can be easily customized to align with your personal style or event theme. Whether you're looking for personalized engravings or specific shapes or thematic motifs, metal can be tailored to your exact specifications. Number 8. Ease of maintenance. Metal is relatively easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for table decorations. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is often sufficient to keep metal surfaces looking pristine and free from dust or smudges. Number 9. Diverse applications. Metal table decorations aren't limited to formal dining settings. They can be incorporated into various spaces, from dining rooms and living areas to outdoor patios and event venues. This versatility ensures that you can create a cohesive and stylish decor theme throughout your home. Number 10. Sustainability. Many metal table decorations are crafted from recycled or repurposed materials, contributing to sustainable design practices. Choosing eco-friendly metal decor options aligns with environmentally conscious values and reduces your carbon footprint. Incorporating metal table decorations into your interior design allows you to harness the unique qualities of metal to enhance the visual appeal and atmosphere of your space. Whether you're aiming for timeless elegance, contemporary flair, or a personalized touch, metal table decorations offer a wide array of benefits that cater to your aesthetic preferences and functional needs.